Okay, nice one. So basically, we got apple cider vinegar and we got some good natural organic honey. Now, this is specific for weight loss and can also help to lower your blood pressure. Also, we got half of a lemon. All right. Now, this is a very good home natural remedy for you guys to use at home. And if you're on medication, I would simply say to you, check with your doctor first because these are natural, powerful home remedy. All right. I'm going to show you how to make this one. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and one at night before you go to your bed. It is an amazing recipe for you guys to drink at home. So stay tuned in and let's make this together. Now, you want to use lukewarm water. Okay? So stay tuned. Here we're going to pour some hot water from the kettle into the cup. Roughly about half cups. Cold water from my bucket right here to top it up to a little bit.